Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, my subject is how to attract money without chasing it. Yes, my dear, you heard it right. It is not about chasing money, it is all about attracting money in your life. I know you have all the potentiality to earn money. Actually, you are wondering, having all the potentiality within you, still why you are stuck in one place, why you are not able to earn that level of money actually you deserve. My dear, it is all because of your internal frequency. It is all because of your hidden patterns, your past programmings. Those are holding you back. These old programmings, all these limiting beliefs, those you are carrying inside your subconscious mind, is creating all the blockages. Those are not allowing you to earn money actually you deserve. Yes, you heard it right, dear. Actually, the fact is that your life is the reflection of your belief. Money, in that case, it is not the exception. Actually, everything in the world is made of energy, and money is also made of energy. And the energy you will attract in your life, in which energy you are vibrating in, dear. Yes, that is why you are not able to earning money only because of your energy is blocking you. Actually, somewhere you are vibrating in the frequency of not having enough money. Actually, you are vibrating in the frequency of lacking something. So it is so simple. Whenever you are vibrating in the frequency of lack, you are attracting more lack in your life, no matter actually what you deserve, no matter how much potentiality you have inside you. It is all about the frequency you are vibrating in. Yes. And if you consider money as energy, you will realize how you are blocking the energy to come to your life. Maybe you are thinking, am I deserve? Yes, somewhere in your limiting belief, you think yourself so small. You think you are not deserving all the money. Actually, it is true. Find it. What is your limiting belief in the question of attracting money in your life? You will find there are a lot of limiting beliefs like I I not deserve all the things. Actually, money not sticks to me. It comes and it goes. Making money is very difficult for me. Those all are your limiting beliefs, dear. And as a result, whenever you are earning money or there is any opportunity to earn money, your limiting beliefs are holding you back. Yes. So, first, to earn money without chasing is it, the only way is to clean all the limiting beliefs you are holding about money. First, start vibrating in the frequency of having everything in your life. Yes, because it is that one frequency that can give you everything. Believe me, if you start vibrating in the frequency that I have everything, I am whole and complete with everything in my life, it is that frequency your brain will start believing that you have everything. And as a result, your life will start reflecting all the things as you have everything. Automatically, you will start earning more money and money will start stick to you. Yes, for that, start with having an abundance mindset. Yes, and how to develop it? It is so simple. Just be grateful for everything what you have in your life right now that requires money. For an example, if you need treatment, you have enough money to go to doctor, to bring the medicines at your home. You have enough money to to bring the clothes you are wearing. You have enough money to f- to for the foods. You have enough money, like this. All the things which requires money, just look at your life and you will realize there are a lot of things already you have that requires money to buy. Yes. So instead of looking on all the things which you don't have, or whenever you have money you will buy or something, just focus on the all the things which already there in your life, which requires money to buy. All the services, all the products you are enjoying right now in your life. So this will help you to increase your abundance mindset. And number two, whenever you are getting some money, maybe it is a little money, maybe it is a big money, whatever you are getting, be enough grateful from your heart, from the core of your heart, and say to that money, thank you for being in my life. Thank you for coming in my life. Yes. So just do hope no to release all the money blocks you are having by saying the simple things. I take 100% responsibility for the financial condition I am facing right now. Dear money, I am so sorry for not being so grateful to you. Please forgive me for not giving you enough care. Thank you so much for being with me every moment. I love you as the way you are. Dear Money, I'm so sorry. Dear Money, please forgive me. Thank you, dear Money, for everything. I love you, dear Money, as the way you are in my life. So just do that to clean all the money blocks you are holding inside you. Those will help you to release all the limiting beliefs also you are holding unconsciously in your subconscious mind regarding money. And then just be enough spontaneous for whatever you are getting in your life which requires money. Be enough grateful for every moments, for everything you are getting with the money. And whenever you are getting something, I mean, whenever you are buying something with money, just practice one thing, that is, whenever, suppose you are giving some kind of bill, credit card bills, restaurant bills, or your home rent, whatever you are giving in the form of money, just do that one practice. Close your eyes and say, go with love, grow with love. Imagine you are giving that money with love energy. So that money is growing and glowing and coming back to you, that energy of abundance. So just practice all the things. It will help you to enhance your money frequency, enhance the abundance mindset regarding money. It will definitely help you to earn more money, and the money will start sticking to you because you are not solving problems, you are upgrading your frequency, which will help you to attract more in your life. And of course, just do one practice today. Before going to sleep, write a letter to money. In that letter, what you will mention? Mention minimum 21 things for which you are enough grateful to money, because you are having the things, f- because you have enough money to buy those things or to have those things in your life. 21 things, those are those you are enjoying in return of money in your life. Just write a letter. Suppose you are writing a love letter to money. Give that energy, and with that, close your today. So, one more time, I am reminding you, don't chase money, just attract money by upgrading your money frequency. Yes? So do that, and please let me know in the comment section how you are enjoying and how what kind of results you are getting after practicing those steps regarding money frequency enhancing. And of course, if you find this video helpful, please do share this video to your nearest and dearest persons. And if you liked it, really give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And of course, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified for my further videos, further upcoming videos. Till then, start upgrading your money frequency. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next video. Thank you.